Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. This video is going to be so exciting, so don't miss anything. Water Walker and Spa. If there are two things that the Japanese love most, they would be taking long peaceful walks and relaxing in a hot bathtub. In recognition of this, a Japanese company based in Osaka called Natural Create Incorporated has created the ultimate combination of treadmill, aquarium, and jacuzzi. The treadmill is located at the bottom of an ergonomic body of water, and the entire point of this contraption is to run against the resistance caused by the liquid. This device minimizes the effect of running in the body when the person runs with water to the chest. Their weight decreases by 80%, creating practically a weightless effect, which helps prevent injury to the joints in people who suffer from arthritis or joint pain. The result of this exercise includes strengthened muscles, better health, and a stronger immune system. The current price of this device is still unknown. Smart Shoe. This smart shoe helps keep your feet warm even in the coldest winter. They also have the added advantage of being able to keep track of the number of steps taken throughout the day, as well as the number of calories burned. Unlike your typical shoe, the smart shoe can be tied through the use of a mechanical system controlled by the smartphone, which can be connected via Bluetooth. A small LED light at the front of the shoe ensures that you always have light in the dark, and this whole package can be yours at the price of $450. Go Duo Speakers. The Go Duo speakers are a marvel of wireless and Bluetooth technology, as they can function at a considerable distance from the information source. The Go Duo can either operate on its own or next to a similar speaker, creating an unsurpassed and powerful stereo sound, which can run for several hours thanks to its powerful battery. You can also attach this device to any surface, even each other, with the use of its magnetic base. In addition to this, the Go Duo is both waterproof and shock-resistant, and comes with a protective case, which allows you to carry them comfortably and easily. These speakers can be pre-ordered for $79. Jab 2. The Jab 2 does just what it says on the box. It is a boxing system that makes use of a Bluetooth application to launch a boxing glove at your enemies. It has a super glove with a movable spring fist, as well as a telescopic mast about 36 centimeters in height, and an accelerometer and Bluetooth chip that works with an augmented reality app. The Jab 2 is designed to be safe enough for children and can be yours at prices starting from $70. EasyGoat. The EasyGoat was designed for people who love to spend time near the water. It's an electric surfboard, as easy to transport as it is to use. It was developed by specialists from the Czech Republic company Cobra Tech as early as last year. It consists of an inflatable board, a rigid frame that hides the electronic system, a battery, and a hydrofoil. When it gains the right speeds, the foil lifts the rider on the board over the water. The user controls the board using their body weight. The maximum speed is 35 kilometers an hour. The battery provides enough power for about 50 minutes of riding, and the price is about $6,500. No-Stop Sock. For those of us who are sick enthusiasts like myself, the Non-Stop Sock comes as a blessing in disguise. They have been described as the most perfect pair of socks in the world, and people are beginning to believe the hype. The outer layer is made of polyester, the middle layer's a water-repellent membrane, and the inner layer is made of bamboo fiber. These materials make the Non-Stop Sock extremely water-resistant, which makes it a godsend in rainy weather. Unlike other socks which grant water resistance at the expense of stinky feet, the Non-Stop Socks are breathable and leave your feet dry as well as odor-free. The design is basic, so the socks fit any outfit. 3 pairs can be purchased at a retail price of $96. PAS Pro Paddle Broom. The PAS Pro Paddle Broom blows all conventional brooms out of the water. These uniquely modified electric brooms help remove all kinds of dirt and debris in seconds, leaving you with a perfectly clean surface. Their broom is also capable of delicate work, as it can sweep grass without damaging the smallest blade. Manufactured by the American company Echo Incorporated, this broom is one of the 15 available attachments for a multi-tool, and you can buy it for $300. PureWave. For health enthusiasts, it is common knowledge that deep tissue massage offers numerous advantages to health and well-being. The popular theory is that the deep and intense pressure created by the hands of the masseur relieves muscle tension and soreness and may help hasten recovery from injuries. The benefits of the deep tissue massage have been studied by the experts in charge of research and development at American company PATA, and this research has led to the creation of the PureWave Massager. The PureWave Massager gives you all the benefits of a deep tissue massage in the comfort of your home. Regular use of the PureWave Massager has been shown to help lower blood pressure, improve blood circulation in the tissues, as well as restore muscle tone and flexibility. As an added benefit, the PureWave Massager also helps with mood improvement as well as in the recovery from injury and the formation of scar tissue. The PureWave functions in a range of between 1,500 strokes per minute and 3,700 strokes per minute to suit your taste. You can have this life-changing device for the price of $100. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most amazing inventions from all over the world. Which of these inventions did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.